Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about armored vehicles in modern warfare, the Russian T-15 Armata. It's 2025, and the T-15 continues to raise eyebrows in the defense world. Some call it a game changer, others say it's more hype than reality. So what's the truth? Let's break it down. First off, the T-15 isn't a tank, it's actually an infantry fighting vehicle, or IFV. But don't let that fool you. This thing is built on the same platform as the T-14 Armata main battle tank, which means it's heavy, powerful, and packed with advanced tech. The T-15 is Russia's answer to the challenge of modern battlefield threats, especially in urban warfare and hybrid conflict zones. Let's talk design. The T-15 looks like a beast because it is one. It weighs around 48 tons, heavier than most Western IFVs, and has a crew of 3, plus room for about 9 fully equipped troops in the rear compartment. What makes the T-15 unique is its unmanned turret, which keeps the crew safely tucked inside an armored capsule at the front of the vehicle. This layout is a huge leap in crew survivability. The turret is no slouch either. It's typically equipped with the Boomerang BM combat module, which includes a 30mm automatic cannon, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and 4 Cornet M anti-tank guided missiles. That means the T-15 can take on both infantry and armor threats, basically acting like a tank hunter and troop transport all in one. But what really sets the T-15 apart is its defensive tech. Russia has equipped it with the Afghanet Active Protection System, the same one used on the T-14. Afghanet uses radar, sensors, and explosive countermeasures to detect and destroy incoming projectiles like RPGs and anti-tank missiles before they hit. This makes the T-15 one of the most protected IFVs in the world right now. Now, here in 2025, reports suggest the T-15 is still in limited service. We've seen them tested in various Russian military exercises and, according to some sources, even deployed in conflict zones for evaluation. However, mass production seems to be slower than expected. Cost, complexity, and sanctions have likely played a role in slowing down full deployment. That said, Russia continues to invest in the Armata platform, so we could see more of these in the field over the next few years. Compared to NATO's top IFVs, like the US Bradley, Germany's Puma, or the UK's Ajax, the T-15 stands out for its firepower and protection. But there's a trade-off. The T-15 is expensive to produce and maintain, and it requires a high level of logistics support, which can be challenging for long campi GNS or rapid deployments. There's also a debate among experts about whether Russia can afford to fully transition to the Armata family, including the T-15. The country's military budget has been under pressure, and legacy vehicles like the BMP-2 and BMP-3 are still widely used. Still, even if only used in elite units or for specific missions, the T-15 represents a shift in how modern IFVs are designed. Heavy armor, active protection, modular components, and remote weapon systems, that's the direction a lot of future vehicles are heading. So, what do you think? Is the T-15 Armata the future of armored warfare, or just an expensive prototype that looks good on parade? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think.